Common action verbs, vocabulary in question and answer format. So listen and repeat after me to practice your English. Eat. Did you eat breakfast this morning? Yes, I had cereal for breakfast. To drive. Are you going to drive to work today? No, I'm taking the bus to work today. Read. Did you read a book yesterday? Yes, I read a few chapters of my novel. Write. Are you going to write an email to your friend? Yes, I'm planning to write her an email later. Cook. Did you cook dinner last night? No, I ordered takeout for dinner. Watch. Are you going to watch a movie tonight? Yes, I'm going to watch a new release. Talk. Did you talk to your parents today? Yes, I had a long conversation with them. Clean. Are you going to clean your room this weekend? Yes, I need to tidy up my room. Exercise. Did you exercise at the gym yesterday? No, I went for a run in the park instead. Listen. Are you going to listen to music while you work? Yes, music helps me concentrate. Sleep. Did you sleep well last night? No, I had trouble falling asleep. Shop. Are you going to shop for groceries today? Yes, I need to buy some essentials. Study. Did you study for your exam yesterday? Yes, I reviewed my notes for a few hours. Dance. Are you going to dance at the party? Yes, I love dancing with my friends. Text. Did you text your sister today? Yes, we chatted about our weekend plans. Brush. Did you brush your teeth before bed? Yes, I always make sure to brush before sleeping. 17. Shower. Did you shower after your workout? Yes, I took a quick shower to freshen up. Play. Are you going to play a musical instrument? Yes, I'm going to play the guitar. Work. Did you work on your project this morning? Yes, I made good progress on it. Drive. Did you drive your friends to the airport? No, they took a taxi to the airport. Thanks for watching.